Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue when you're trying to open or play League of Legends. Let's begin. First, go to your Windows search bar over here and type Control Panel. Click on it. Go to Uninstall a program, and I want you to locate Riot Vanguard. So over here, right click on uninstall, and then click yes. Once you have successfully uninstalled this, close this window, then open Riot Vanguard, right? Then over here, click on League of Legends. Then just simply click on yes. This will automatically re-download Riot Vanguard, fixing any corrupted files on it. And once done, it will actually require a system restart. And once you have successfully rebooted your PC, then everything should now be running smoothly. And that's it. By following all of these steps, you should now be able to open and play League of Legends. I hope you found this video very helpful.